friends, we're now entering the farm where the tulips are. As you can see, this is the entrance for the farm, and as you can see, there's a field of flowers with different colors in the far distance, and over there you can see some people with the buckets. So friends, as we got those buckets are for collecting flowers, and for each flower you collect, each flower is worth $1. So be aware of how much you collect. So as you can see, there are different flowers here: red flowers, purple flowers, pink flowers, yellow flowers, and other different colors. They're not green, of course, green flowers, and they're not blue flowers. There are only some like related colors like orange, purple, red, yellow, and orange. So those are the basic colors that we have. And as you can see here, this is the horse riding station. So we're about to get in line for this horse riding station. And as you can see, there are more fields up top, and it's a really big field, as you can see. And as you can see over there, there's a bicycle on the farm where you can take pictures. And yeah, that's the rest of the farm. As you can see, it's really beautiful. And now we're waiting in line for the horse riding station.
Are you excited?
Yes!
Adya, are you excited?
Yes! So friends, as you can see, my little sister is excited to get on one of the horses too. And we're near to the line. And now we reached the line. And I'm getting on the big horse, which is the biggest horse out of all the horses. And that's Jesus store, as you can see. And now I'm going on a lap around a small field. And now I'm coming back again to the starting place. So friends, I got off the horse, and it was really fun. And now I'm back again to collecting more flowers in my bucket. So as you can see, I came near some bright red flowers, and you can see some other flowers in the distance, far. And there's also a tractor around the farm that's like going around, and there's some people in the back wagons, and so they get to have a ride. And now we got our flowers and we're paying for them, and we're getting a bag for them. As you can see, me and my little sister got 2 flowers each. So I got my bag and my little sister got her bag.